how the RCS pricing works. When you, as an agent, send a message to your customer, that is the end user, you get charged 20 paise. In case your customer is not replying to you at all, so for each message that you send, 20 paise will be consumed. There's a case too wherein you have sent message to the customer on day 1 at 10 a.m. You will be charged 20 paise. Your customer or user has replied back to you at 11 a.m. You are not charged for the incoming message. After that, your chatbot takes over or you reply to the customer again. Then again you are charged 20 paise. Now, if there's a bot, user bot, or agent, user agent session that is created after this, your first message was at 10 a.m. So, from day 1 10 a.m. till day 2 10 a.m., you have a free session window. So, after this second 20 paise charge, after this, you can send them 100 messages that won't be charged at all. So this is very much important to understand that the session only starts when there's a agent user agent pair that is created, and the time of the session is from the first message sent by the agent. So day 2 9:30 a.m. you're not getting charged anything, and then if you send message again at day 2 10:30 a.m. and your customer has not replied to you yet, so you will be charged 20 paise. Or after this, let us consider a case wherein your customer sends you a reply again here at this stage. And then you are sending back the reply. So again you will be charged. The incoming message is free. Now after this, the session will again end at day 3 10:30 a.m. So after the session ends, you still need a bot user bot configuration or agent user agent session. After that only your agent user agent pair, after that only your 24-hour session will begin and end at the next day whenever your first message of the agent user agent configuration began. Now we are considering a third case wherein you sent a message to the customer at day 1 at 10 a.m. You were charged. Customer has not replied on day 2. Customer suddenly replied on day 3. So here at day 3 at 12 p.m. the customer sent us an incoming message. Obviously we are not charged for it. And then if you are sending an outgoing message to them now, you will be charged because the session, if it would have been open at 10 a.m. on day 1, it would have got closed at day 2 itself. So you are getting charged here at day 3 1 p.m. message. Again, if you send the customer another message, you will be charged again. Now if the customer sends you a message back, that is the customer is replying back to you, for that there is no charge. And then if you send a message back, then after this your bot user bot pair is again opened and your session will end at day 4 at 1 p.m. depending upon this time. Now considering a last case wherein the user sends you a message directly to your RCS agent, maybe after 10 days, maybe after scanning a QR code. Even in that case, the incoming message is free. Your first outgoing message is going to be charged. Your second outgoing message is also getting charged because the customer has not replied back to you after your outgoing message. And after that, so if now the customer has replied back to you, and then if you reply back or if your chatbot takes over and replies back, then your session will begin at day 1 p.m. and it will end at day 2 1 p.m. So until and unless customer replies back to you, the session doesn't open. I mean, even you have to reply back to the customer, only then the session opens, provided the previous message sent by you to the customer is within 24 hours of customer's reply. So I hope this clears the concept of pricing in regards of RCS. Thank you.